Holiday fun, family fun with holiday cookies. Enjoy yourself. Happy holidays.
Okay, this is Pete, Chef Pete. I am at Carpizzo's Kitchen, and this is He'll Lead and Teach. And do you know what? Make your family happy. Bake them a batch of cookies. Cookies baked at home. Smell the whole place up. And you know what? We like to cook, eat, and enjoy here at He'll Lead and Teach, and we're leading the way. We're leading the way for all of you to help your families eat better, live better, and just love your families for all that you do.
Healthy cooking.
Healthy cooking is where it's at. So this is Peter Carpizzo's, as always, what? Out!
This is Anthony. And, you know, like I was thinking about this morning, is cookies. You know, around this time of the year, the holiday time, people love cookies. I don't know what it is, but people seem to love them. And I was just looking on something about this because it said something about in every culture we have cookies, right? All these different cultures. So let's be real. Everybody's been making cookies all these different times, and every culture, the Italians have the biscotti, the French have the macaroon. But don't even get me started on the American chocolate chip. Well, I don't call it the American chocolate chip because I love Ghirardelli. Ghirardelli is the best chocolate ever. So, if I'm going to have a cookie, it is definitely going to be with the Ghirardelli chips. And, you know, and then you come to the holidays here, and everybody's a baker, right? Everybody and their brother is a baker. Even if they don't know what the heck they're doing, they're the baker. So, you know what I say? I say enjoy where you're at. Do whatever you love. Do whatever you love. Do what makes you happy. But you know what? Everyone's the baker. We're all doing our cookies. I remember, why do we love cookies so much? Why? Why do you think that is? I know for me, growing up in the Italiano family, my mother used to bake up a storm. We even had an extra freezer for the cookies. And then, you know, because I grew up like that, I ended up I remember making cookies when I was in my teens too, like crazy. Like I used to love the chocolate chips, even back then when all I knew was Toll House chocolate chips. But now, after living in San Francisco and being to Ghirardelli all the time, Ghirardelli is my favorite. And Guittard. And it's really sad here. We live in Las Vegas, but the Ghirardelli down off the strip there is really not that great. We used to like going there, but it's kind of like not as nice as it used to be. I wish they would put one in Summerlin. Ghirardelli needs to be in Summerlin Mall, please. Can you put one there? Anyway, or even closer. But anyway, happy holidays, everybody. Enjoy the cookies, whichever ones you're making, because really it is about love. It's about giving love to your family.
That one got away. Okay, and basically, this will flatten them out for you. Just put a little flour on the bottom of your glass, and it will not stick. And so into our oven, and we're gonna cook these at 350 for roughly about 6.5, 7 minutes till you start to see them crack across the top. That's when you know they're ready to go. Maybe 7, 8 minutes, depending on your temperature of your oven. So we enjoy doing things holiday time, and that's where we are. It's holiday time, it's holiday time. We're making the gingerbread cookies now. Okay, so that was my little tune for you. We thank you so much. Smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we love you all. Peter Carpizzo's out.